Hey Abundant Parents, it's Leah. In this video, I'm going to give you the 3 ways that I manage my mind so that I have more trust in the universe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do post a new video at least once a week, oftentimes more. So also hit the bell. That way you'll be notified when I post new videos. For a long time, I didn't trust life. And why should I? Life was happening to me in all the worst ways. This understanding that life was hard and full of pain constantly left me depleted, always bracing myself for the next hit, but also desperately clinging to every ounce of joy that was thrown my way. And I would cling to this joy even if I had to sacrifice my self-respect, my consciousness, my purpose to have this joy. And then I hit the lowest part of my life. You know that quote when they talk about how you didn't realize that the lowest of lows had a basement? That was the point that I hit. All of my false senses of security were slowly stripped away one by one. But I still had, and the one thing that never went away, was my unfaltering bond with my kids. It ended up being the only thing that endured, the only thing that was true. Their belief and their trust in me and their defense of me, it woke me up. I knew that if my kids were to become everything that I knew that they had the potential to become, I would first need to model that belief in my own potential. And I discovered the very first step in investing my own time and courage in myself was trusting that the universe has it handled, that the universe was going to work it all out. Trusting that with good intentions, with inspired action, and with commitment, the universe will move mountains, bridges, entire forests to guide you to your dreams. Is it always easy? No. Do I always believe? No. But I always find my way back to ease and trust as often as I can. And the more that I practice releasing my perception of control over the unknown and embracing those formulaic equations of the law of attraction, the more things work out for me. The mind is incredible. The mind is powerful. The mind is moldable. So the more that you practice trusting the universe, the more your mind paves new neural pathways to accepting that ideology and that belief and that positivity and that hope and those dreams. So what are the 3 ways that I manage my mind to have trust in the universe? The first way that I manage my mind to have more trust in the universe is I affirm that the universe has it all figured out, that it has my back, that things are always working out for me. Sometimes those affirmations are written down on a mirror so I can see them every single day. Sometimes it's eliminating really negative things on social media so I get more positive messages in my perception. But you have to always be affirming yourself. You always have to be allowing affirmative messages into your perception. The second way I manage my mind to have more trust in the universe is I remind myself exactly how much control I really have or don't have. It's amazing how when you really look at a situation, you come to understand how much is actually not in your control. And by trying to force your hand into controlling it, the only thing you're doing is exhausting yourself and stressing yourself out. So when something is hard and something is stressful, ask yourself, how much control do I really have over this situation? And maybe take it to the next step. What is in my control? Sometimes when things are hard and stressful and you don't legitimately have control over how that situation is playing out, what you do have control over is what you do with your stress over it. Which leads me to the 3rd way that I manage my mind in trusting the universe. And that is using mental health tools. This means that I will listen to binaural beats. I will meditate more often if things are more stressful. I will do EFT tapping if I've allowed things to get kind of out of control and I need a really great tool to bring me back to earth. And it also means that I'm managing my gut health. Your gut is known as your second brain. And this is because they're discovering that by having really good mental health oftentimes is linked to having really good gut health. So by eating probiotics and eating really healthy non-processed foods that help seal your gut and allowing your gut to digest healthy things that don't cause inflammation, that chances are you're going to have a lower chance of depression, anxiety, and any other of the numerous mental health issues that we're all faced with these days. So those are the 3 ways that I manage my mind to trust in the universe more. If you'd like to hear more, I invite you to check out the Abundant Parent membership. Each month I bring in an expert in their field to give you tips and tools to be the best parent that you can be, to be the most healed parent that you can be, to be the parent that connects with your kids most. To catch those, you want to go to theabundantparent.com and click on the tab that says membership. Thank you so much, and I'm wishing you a day full of light, love, and abundance. Bye.